Okay, so now our main discussion for today is about midpoint. Okay, midpoint. As you can see in our diagram, our Cartesian plane, we have here point 1 and point 2, or point A and point B. The point A is our first point with ordered pair 4 and 1, while B have 1 and 5 as ordered pair. Now, we asked to look for the midpoint. So from here to here, that's distance. Now, the midpoint is half of it, half of the line. So now we're looking for the midpoint, okay? Not the distance, but the midpoint. The midpoint of A and B, or B and A, okay? So how are you going to get that? Okay? To get that, we need the formula. Our formula is M equals close and open parenthesis. We're going to begin it. Okay, so we have x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2. So as you can see, we simply add the two x, okay, then divide it by 2. Then on the other side, we have y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So these are formula for the midpoint, okay? So then we substitute the given value. So we have x of 1 plus x of 2. So our x of 1 is 4. So we're just going to plug in. So 4 and then 1. So 4 plus 1 all over 2. Then we have y sub 1. That's 1 plus 5 divided by 2. Okay? So 4 plus 1, we got 5. So that is 5 over 2. Then we got 1 plus 5, that's 6 over 2. Okay? Next. So 5 divided by 2, that's 2.5, right? So 2.5. So the x is 2.5. And then for the y, we have 3. Okay, now this is the midpoint. Okay, so this is the midpoint. We get 2.5. So approximately here, it's 2.5. And when we got 3. Okay, so the midpoint is here. Okay, so that's the midpoint. So we got the value 2.5 by 5 over 2, then 6 over 2, okay? Again, this is our formula for midpoint, okay? So x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2, then y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2, okay? Then we plug in the value. So 4 plus 1, so we got the here 4 and then 1, that's the x. Then 1 plus 5, so we have here 1 and then 5. So 1 plus 5. Okay? So we get the value from the given equation. Okay? So 1 plus 5. Okay? 1 plus 5 divided by 2. So we add this, we got 6. We add this, we got 5. Okay? 5 over 2, 2.5. 6 over 2, 3. So this is a midpoint for this distance, or from this 2 point, okay? From 2 points, okay? If you have 2 points, one line, at the middle of it, that's the midpoint, okay? Middle of the 2 points is the midpoint, okay? I hope you understand.